Okay, so let's talk about the equipment we're going to be using today to clean this drain. So today we're going to be using the Spartan Revolution 2.5, also known as the Picote Midi Cleaner. It's by far the most popular machine we sell. Plumbers love it because it has a larger range. It'll do from 2-inch up to 6-inch pipes. You can pretty much abuse it in 4-inch, has a 75-foot shaft, and we can add a 33-foot extension on it. Now, there's a lot of confusion out there about how to set up your chains. You can lay them out and measure them, but just a simple way is we want to arrange our chain whenever we're using a football style change to where it kind of resembles a comfortable hammock. We don't want something that's hanging down too far, and we don't want something that's stretched out too tight. If we stretch it out too tight, it's not going to allow our shaft to bend and be flexible navigating turns. If we have it drop down too low, then we're going to run into a situation where we're creating too much drag, and we could break our shaft, or we could cause our machine to clutch out. Today, I'm going to be using a piece of casing here in between the chain. I typically don't do this for most applications. Today we're working in PVC, so we're not going to be navigating any really tight turns. The main reason I want to put this on here is I want to keep roots from getting hung into the weavings of this shaft right here. Today we're just going to be using a 4-inch PVC chain to start with. I always recommend starting with your least aggressive chain, see what kind of results you get that way, and then take it from there if you need something more aggressive. So one of the great features about the Picote machines or the Revolution line is we can run the machine while we have a camera in the line, so we can see how effective we're being, and we can make sure that we get these areas clean. So we're going to push our shaft out, make sure we're at the area where our roots are. I'll get my camera right up behind it, and then we'll start running. Right here at the 53-foot mark, you can see where our problem is. We have a slight separation in the line, which is allowing roots to grow in. We jetted and cleaned this line back in the fall, and you can see in less than 12 months, we're almost back to fully being sealed off again. And here you want to be very careful not to get your camera head too far in and next to the chains. And now you can see post cleanup, we've got all those roots cut away. Now we're ready to install a patch.